In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create your own presets so you can take your editing from 2 hours of editing to literally just 15 to 20 minutes of editing. That's how impactful presets are in Adobe Premiere Pro. And if you don't want to create any of these presets yourself and had already pre-made drag and drop presets to look professional for cinematic, minimalistic type of style, you can go down in the link in the description, look for my presets. I have a ton of presets that are zooms, slides, fades, drop shadows, just a bunch of really cool animations. Go down in the link in the description, go grab those presets so you don't have to create them yourself. But if you want to create them yourself, let's get right into this video. So to save your own effects, like you can see right now, I have my effects. When I play my playhead, you can see that there is an animation on this text. Let's show you one more time. It's this really cool, this slide up effect that's super simple and easy. And let's just say you don't want to keep doing that constantly, keep looking up the transform, keep doing keyframes. I totally understand. That's why you use presets to save a bunch of time. And all you have to do to save this preset is right click and hit save preset. Then click that, and then you can name it whatever you want. So we can just name like sample preset. Hit OK. It's gonna pop up right over here and you can see it's already here. Now when I delete this one, I just come over here, drag and drop it onto the text, and boom, now as I play this, you can see that that sample preset is already pre-made. I actually made some free presets for you guys, so you go down in the description. These are from some of my these are from all of my editing packs, kind of just bunched into like one little sample pack for you guys. So go down in the description, go and join the waitlist and grab this whole presets. There's like 5 of them. I can just show you really quick. There's this negative effect that's really viral. Kind of gives it that difference effect that's pretty cool. That slide up that you just saw, this slide out right, it's exactly what it says, this slides out right. And then there's also a signature zoom. So if you add a, let's just say, we add a adjustment layer by coming over to your project panel, hitting new item, adjustment layer, hit OK, come over here, make sure this is about like 3 seconds. That's what's like perfect for this. Come into it, drag and drop it onto the adjustment layer. Now it gives you this really cool intro for your hooks. So it has this really cool slick, smooth zoom that I use in about every single one of my videos. And if you're thinking like, hey, you just talked about those effects that you just talked about in the beginning of the video, now I would like to see them, and I'll show you some of the effects that I love to use. I recommend going and either grabbing the text and logo animations, what gives you every single one of the presets I use every single time, or if you don't like to have a ton of presets and like everything to be extremely organized and only use the essentials that you will use every single time, then go grab the cinematic editing style presets. This pack just gives you film borders, already pre-made presets, plus you get already pre-made hooks slash text titles. So they're actually right over here. I'll show you them really quick. It's just this really cool, easy text titles. So as I play it, you can see that these really cool, already pre-made animated text titles. So no need to use like your presets. You can just come over to any of these. So for example, let's say I wanted this first one. There's actually 10 of these in total, but let's say I wanted this first one. All you have to do is just double click into here. So double click this nested layer. You can see the animations are already like showing right now, and just come over to any of these. So for example, if I wanted to change this 10, I just double click on it. Come into the properties tab, just double click on it. If I wanted to change to 5, just boom, now it'll change it to 5. And then all you have to do obviously is come into here, move it over right, just because it, you know, not everything is perfect. And boom, now you have 5 easy text layouts if you wanted that, or 10, whatever numbers, and replace all the other text and you're boom, perfectly done. There's also film borders and just a bunch of more presets. I'll show you just some of the presets you can use right now today to save time. So let's say I wanted to have this text slide up slash fade in. We can just drag and drop it and watch now. It just has a nice, perfect slide in fade that we would like. And let's say because this text, you can kind of see it kind of blends in with the background and everything, you want it to really pop out and just make it really cool, you can just come over to the editing and drag and drop like the normal and subtle. I love to stack them just to make it look a lot better, and now it just looks a lot more professional. I'm not trying to like sell you guys or anything. I'm just trying to show you my presets and give you kind of ideas of what presets you can make for yourselves to just save a bunch of time. Like I said, you can go get these and every single one of my other ones in the link in the description. And use the code cinematic to save $5 off. I know you guys love to save money, and I love to save money too. So if you want to learn exactly how to use these cinematic editing styles, pack, and also all of my other presets, I'll leave some cards up on the top, and click on this playlist right over here to show you exactly how to use these presets and create some presets of your own in just seconds.